Hello YouTubers, this is Techlom again, and today I'm so excited to show you what TWS does with Zealot Bluetooth speakers. We're going to have two Bluetooth speakers to connect through TWS. Yes, I've done this before with the Lenovo speaker, but today I'm going to do with the Zealot S53. Zealot S53. And these are the Zealot S53. This is one, it's blue, and this one is black. You can see they're both on. So they are very identical, just that one is blue and the other is black, but they work together. All right. So what I actually did was I had this before. If you've been watching my reviews, I've reviewed this and done a sound test on it. Now I got this to pair it together in order to give a stereo style sound. So this pairing usually happens with the two speakers connected together as one, sounding at the same time. So this one is actually connected to my laptop down there. Then this one is connected to this one. So the blue one is connected to the black one. The black one is connected to the laptop. So you don't have to connect the both of them to the laptop. All you do is connect one, then pair one to the other, and both of them sound together. This is what we call TWS connection between the both of them. If you've noticed before, you must have like these earbuds, these Bluetooth earbuds. That's exactly how they work. They both work together as one, but actually one of them is the one connected to your device. So that's exactly how TWS works with Bluetooth devices like this. And the most important thing is that the both of them must be identical. The same product name, the same model, the same type. Okay, what we have here is just variation of colors. So that's just the difference between this and that. Okay, so I will explain to you how this connection happened. Okay, so what I did was pair this to the laptop, then switch this one on, then just tap on the on button. Just tap on the on button, then you hear some sounds that indicated that both of them have been connected. It's as simple as that. Or if you're confused, you can go through your manual and check, and you see how it works. Now the question is, how do they actually sound? Do they sound as small as one, or do they sound like two? Okay, actually they sound like two. Okay, and the sound is kind of more balanced and more crisp and more, okay, let's say stereo sound, like two sounds coming to your ear. It's clearer to listen to and stuff like that. So that's exactly what you get with TWS connection between two speakers. Okay, so we might go for a sound test right now to show you how this works. Okay, so stick around. Okay, now we are in for a sound test. Okay, like I've said before, my laptop has a very terrible sound to it. Okay, let's just take a listen to it. You can hear some cracking sound on the speakers. I don't really know how it happened, but this time around we're going to switch on the two speakers. Now this is the primary speaker, so I'm going to switch it on. Now this one is connected, so when it pairs with the system, it has taken over the music right now. You can feel that the music is a little bit improved from what it used to be from the speaker of the laptop. Okay, now after a while, I'm going to switch on the blue Bluetooth speaker. Now you can see the music is a little bit fatter. So the entire room is booming right now with this music. So you can feel the TWS, that's a true wireless stereo going on right now. Okay, this is quite balanced and loud. Let me skip. Yeah, that's my music. That's me there. Okay, that's the true wireless stereo in action right now. Okay, so we've been able to hear this sound, the sound of these two speakers sound together. Like I told you before, this one is the primary speaker and this is the secondary speaker that are paired together. Now you could feel the difference between the laptop and these two speakers. Okay, actually that was why I shopped for these speakers. Okay, but the main reason why I like this particular one is I love the ballish nature, the feel of it. I just love the way it looks. Actually, it gives me joy to see it like this. Actually, okay, so from what we've done, you've seen that the wireless connection between these both speakers together to sound as one is intriguing and very beautiful and very, very full and sweet. Okay, so the stereo sound actually gives you a more powerful sound to to perceive. Okay, so actually I don't know what to say, but if you have the means or have the need to have both of these as one, please go ahead and do it because you're not going to regret it. Okay, like I did for my laptop. I don't know what your own need is. You can use it for your television, you can use it for your other sound gadgets, or even for your phone, maybe in a party with your friends in a room. That will work fantastically well because this is quite loud. Okay, so thank you again for coming back to Tech Loom for our reviews. Thank you, and thank you again. Please, if today is your first time or this is your first video, please go back to our channel and watch more videos. I'm sure you're going to enjoy many of our videos. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, please, I want you to click that subscribe button down below. Click it right now. Click it and always visit us and see me in the next video. I want to see you there. Okay, so our next video, more videos are coming your way. So thank you again, and I want to sign out right now. Peace.